Okay, I'm going to document what I have just done. All right, right now I'm SSH'd into the production server. Okay, let me do a listing. As you can see, there's a folder now right under root, the root directory. And that folder is called buscompa. Okay, let me cd into that. Cd buscompa. All right, let's see what's in buscompa. You see a .git directory, and you see a web folder. Basically, what's in buscompa is all of what's in my no framework project. Okay, here it is, no framework project. There's a web folder, an app folder. There's an index.html in here. Okay, now, how did I get this here? I used git clone. Here's the command. Wait, this was the command, git clone, https, the whole shebang, and then buscompa. And when I ran this command, I was in the root directory, okay? And that's how it created this whole thing, all right? Now, before that, I installed git on my production server, okay? I used apt-get install git, all right? Not only did I install git on the production server, I also copied the .git config file from my Mac. So now I have a copy of it right here. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, now this is not exactly like the one on my Mac, because on the Mac there's stuff related to OS Keychains application, which is not on production server, which is not a Mac, it's an Ubuntu. Okay, now in order for me to be able to test my virtual hosts, remember I said I was going to have a buscompanyx.com website and gxsam11.net website. Okay, so similarly, I want to create a web folder for gxsam11, just like I have one right now for buscompanyx.com. Okay, so let me SSH into the server. All right, what's in here? Okay, as you can see, there's a folder called buscompa. Okay, I want to have a folder also called gxsam11. Okay, so the command is mkdir gxsam11. Now let's see what we have. All right, we have a folder called gxsam11. All right, let me cd into it. gxsam11. Okay, so what's in here? Right now, nothing. Okay, let me create a web folder for this. So mkdir web. All right. Now I have a web folder. Let me get in there. All right. I am in gxsam11, the web folder. All right. In here, I'm going to create an index.html. All right. Now let me just copy what I have in my other, in this one. All right. View source. All right. Let me just copy this. All right. Let's go over here. Paste it in here. All right, now up here, I'm going to make this gxsam11.net. gxsam11.net. Okay, and let me go down here, do the same thing. gxsam11.net. All right, let me do save. Okay. All right, let me do cat on that. Wait. Index. All right, so there we have that file. Okay. So now I have the same thing for gxsam11.net for the purposes of testing.